afternoon, ma'am. I'm Rosemary Bautista. Now I'm going to demonstrate the hair shampooing of the patient. So the indications are to clean hair and scalp, to stimulate circulation of blood, to remove dirt while treating condition for patient comfort and relaxation. So do the 12 sequence. Now 12 sequence done. Put incontinent pad under the patient's shoulder and neck. Avoid wetting. Do body mechanics. Then put also towel over the chest to avoid wetting also. Then put kili. Put also towel to elevate the patient's head. Roll towel. Dai. Swab dito dai. Oh. Then kili. Assuming this is kili, you have no kili here. Then put cotton balls to the ear of the patient to avoid entering the water. Now assuming. Then moist cotton to avoid blaring of the lights. Now check the temperature of the water. If it is okay, using your restart. Now put also kidney at basin under the patient's head or here. Now do initial cleaning. Put to water of the patient's here for initial wash, initial rinse. Now put soap. The hair patient. Then massage scalp of the patient and head. Now do rinse the hair to remove the bubbles. Rinse very well. Now add conditioner if the patients preferred to put. If no, don't put. Okay? So the patient don't need to the conditioner. So let it drip. Put also oil after if the patient wants to put some oil. Now my patients don't want. So wrap pat dry. Wrap the hair to avoid dripping the water. Wrap. Pat dry very well. There's no water dripping. Now comb the hair of the patients gently. And then do blower. If she wants, do blower. Then dry. Now the hair is dry already. Do remove the patient's moist cotton towel. Then remove the towel over the chest. Now remove also the rolled towel and the incontinent pad together with the kili. Okay. Now fix the bed. Do after care. Now I'm done. Thank you.